Okay, got friends. Feel like vomiting. Now, do you drink a lot of water? No, doctor. I don't have water too much. I don't have water too much. Did you do any medicine? I took a don't. Yes, doctor. I took a crossing. Who asked you to take it? No, doctor. To it myself. Why did you take it? Because I feel had nothing to be worried. Do you need speak really? No, doctor.